To configure NC cabinets, you can start with an order example or an empty cabinet. To begin, click on Configure. In the first selection menu, you can change the design of the cabinet between roller shutter and hinged door. For the roller shutter opening, you can open or close it in the next selection menu. Select the cabinet color. The Color Attachments field changes the color of the door and all attachments. A forklift truck base and matching cover can be added. It is also possible to insert a roller shutter cover. For inserts such as drawers and pull-out shelves, a single pull-out lock can be selected in 2 different heights. To fill the cabinet with inserts, an item can be selected at position 1, which is then the top position. The item is inserted at the bottom. The other positions are then added below it and the upper positions are moved up. Now further options for configuring the position have appeared. The height of the first position can be used to move it upwards. This is the distance to the lower position. Tool holders can be inserted into the item under tool holder type and model. The other positions can now be inserted. To fill a drawer with inserts, click on it after everything else has been configured. You can now select an insert frame. The selection for its height and, again, the holder type and design will appear. For an NC trolley, you can start with an order example again. Here, the first thing you can change is the depth. The color of the entire trolley. A safety bar can also be mounted on the top. The attachments are divided into 3 mounting positions: top, middle, and bottom. For the top position, you can choose between different inserts. Depending on your selection, the selection fields for the tool holder type and design will appear. This selection is identical to that of the NC cabinet. The selection of the other positions is identical to that of the top position.